Kumusta na kayo mga taga-Pulot? How about yung mga nasa likod? Kumusta kayo dyan? Gusto ko yung mas maingay pa. Ayan. Talagang patagugtungin na paingayin natin yung napakalakas itong public auditorium ng Barangay San Francisco, which is, I know that Barangay San Francisco is a very welcoming community here at the northern part of Bulan, which is Barangay San Francisco is one of the biggest barangay here as far as I know. Tama ba ako? Yes, hindi lang malaking barangay ang Barangay Pulot, but they are offering bright people, beautiful and handsome Pulotnon. Should I say Pulotnon? Ganun ba yung mga tawag sa mga taga-Pulot? Kasi nung rehearsals namin, tinanong ko kung anong mga tawag sa mga taga-Pulot. So what do you call or how do you call yourself? Pulotnon? Is it Pulotenya, Pulotenyo? Kasi dapat may mga tawag tayo sa kada tao sa barangay. Just like Bulan, we have Bulanenyo, Bulanenya. So I guess we should call yourself or you should call yourself as Pulotenya and Pulotenyo. So, madami pa may offer ang Barangay Pulot. Since I guess you started your fiesta yesterday, which is Miss Gayona's 2024, and now you have the male pageant, which is Ginoong San Francisco 2024, at marami pang susunod na activities. Ladies and gentlemen, again, I am your host. I am Clark Enano Gutierrez. How about a round of applause? Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to witness our 10 handsome candidates for Ginoong San Francisco 2024? Yan ba yung klase ng ready? I need more energy! Are you ready? Okay, baka matulog pala ako dito sa stage sa lakas ng pagundong ngayon. So, but before that, may I ask for a criteria for judging for our festival attire? So, before the criteria for judging, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Ginoong San Francisco 2024! Are you ready? Are you ready to witness our 10 strong and handsome candidates? Yes, you should. Because tonight you will witness creative festival costume designed by our local designers here at your very own barangay at sa municipality of Bulan. So now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome our 10 strong and handsome candidates for Ginoong San Francisco 2024 in their festival attire.